Hey there, mop aficionados! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter choices while shopping. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. We're comparing two heavyweights in the steam mop arena, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, which we'll call Pocket Shark, and the Shark S7000AMZ Steam and Scrub All-in-One Mop, affectionately known as Scrubzilla. So grab your mop bucket and let's clean up this comparison. First up, let's talk steam power. The Pocket Shark transforms ordinary water into superheated steam in just 30 seconds. Reviewers have praised its quick heating time, saying it effectively cleans their floors without leaving streaks. Meanwhile, Scrubzilla's got its own steam game going on, with its automatic scrubbing mop head delivering over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers love how it tackles tough messes with ease. So for sheer steam power, both are impressive. But if you want that extra scrubbing action, Scrubzilla takes the crown. Next, let's look at cleaning methods. Pocket Shark is all about the no-chemical life. Just water and steam, no harsh chemicals, no residue. Reviewers appreciate this eco-friendly approach, stating it leaves their floors clean and safe for pets. But Scrubzilla is like that friend who brings the snacks to the party. It's tough on stains, but gentle on floors, with its two steam modes for different cleaning needs. Reviewers love the versatility it offers for light and normal cleaning. Winner? Tough call. If you want to keep it eco-friendly, Pocket Shark takes the trophy. But for versatility, Scrubzilla is the king of the mop jungle. Let's dive into design and usability. Pocket Shark flaunts a soft grip handle that makes it easy to maneuver. Reviewers say it's lightweight and easy to use, making it feel like a breeze while cleaning. On the flip side, Scrubzilla's durable yet sleek design means it's not only pretty, but also practical. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use despite its heavier build. Both mops are user-friendly, but if you want that "I'm fancy and I know it" vibe, Scrubzilla might just be your best bet. In summary, both the Pocket Shark and Scrubzilla have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. Pocket Shark is lauded for its lightweight design and ease of use, while Scrubzilla impresses with its powerful scrubbing capability and versatility. However, some users have noted that Scrubzilla can be a bit heavy and may leave a residue, while Pocket Shark has limitations with tougher stains. Overall, both are effective in their own right. So what's the verdict, folks? If you're looking for an affordable, chemical-free mop that's quick and efficient, go for Pocket Shark. But if you're ready to splurge a little for an all-in-one scrubbing experience, Scrubzilla is your mop match made in heaven. Remember, whether you choose the Pocket Shark or Scrubzilla, the most important thing is to keep those floors clean and your spirits high. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comparisons that help you buy smart. Until next time, keep it steamy, folks.